Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Engineer Ali Raza. I am a research assistant in Swarm Robotics Lab, UD Texla. I am also a joint secretary in Community Research Development. I am here to present research paper presentation which is deep learning based intelligent classification of COVID-19 and pneumonia by using cough oscillation collected by a oscillation sensor. The author of this paper was Ali Raza, Zubair Saeed, Sayyid Zuhaib Hassan Naqvi, Sayyida Zahra Ali, Misha Aruj Khan and Zishan Abbasi. These are the contents which I covered throughout the presentation. First of all, I discussed motivation, then introduction, then diagnosis, then literature view, material and methods, results, discussion, conclusion, at the end references. First of all, we discuss the motivation behind COVID-19 to do research in this domain. The World Health Organization has designated COVID-19 a pandemic because its emergency has influenced more than 50 million world population. Around 40 million deaths have been reported worldwide from COVID-19. In this research work, we have presented a method for autonomous screening of COVID-19 and pneumonia subject from a cough oscillation analysis. Deep learning based model MobileNet V2 is used and for a self-collected dataset. So these are the motivation behind do research work in this domain. Affected because of COVID-19, 50 million people are affected globally, and more people are elderly. So we have choose a domain to do a research in this area. This is the motivation also to do work behind in this domain. So what is the COVID-19 and what is coronavirus? What is its symptoms? We have discussed first of all here. So COVID-19 began on December 31. It is a family of virus affecting respiratory tract, causing disease from common cold to pneumonia, usually live in bats and other animals, transmitted human directly or via other animals. Can transmit human via respiratory droplets. So what is the journey of the COVID-19? And it starts from China and spread throughout the world. This is a journey of the COVID-19. COVID-19 began on December 31, 2019 with a report of unexplainable reason of pneumonia in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. It spread around the globe and was declared as a pandemic all over the world. Pneumonia caused by the influenza virus and other type of occurred throughout the season. Differentiate COVID-19 from a general pneumonia might be difficult in some cases, especially when clinical characteristics are considered. Fever, tiredness, dry cough. These are the symptoms of the COVID-19. This is the journey and it's spread all around the world and globe. So what is the symptoms behind the COVID-19? And these are the symptoms of the COVID: shortness of breath, high fever, vomiting, pneumonia, coughing and diarrhea. These are the symptoms of the COVID-19. So what are the diagnoses for the COVID-19? There are the two techniques for diagnosis. First one is the reverse transcription polymer chain reaction testing. This kit is not easily available in some regions due to lack of adequate supplies, medical professional and healthcare facilities. The other one is the artificial intelligence technique. Artificial intelligence has been spreaded all around the world and it is the best way to do everything. So we have used artificial intelligence for classification of COVID cough and pneumonia cough. Recently, artificial has implement in the health sector. Widely, there are also many applications in the field of speech and audio. AI has created its space. It's used for screening and early detection of different diseases. In our case, we have a classification of COVID and pneumonia. So what is the literature view for do research work in this domain? So we have read different papers. These are the similar one which I have mentioned here. So first paper is used for classification of COVID-19 using X-ray images. The method which is used for ResNet 50 and the accuracy achieved in this method 96.7%. And the other one, second one is use also a ResNet, but the accuracy also 96.23, but it's use a transfer learning technique. In this technique, it's use images to classify COVID and pneumonia. So fourth one is the also a classification technique, and it's also a transfer learning with multiple classifier. It's used spot vector machine, gradient boosting trees, and logistic regression were tested. The highest accuracy was 80% in this case. And the fifth one have also a classification technique, but this is also COVID cough signals. These signals also classify using machine learning approach into COVID positive and COVID negative signals. These are the literature view. So now we have discussed about the materials and methods. So first of all, we have discussed what is the method which I choose to do a classification of COVID cough and pneumonia cough. So we have a MobileNet version 2 and we have a transfer learning technique to do classification. We have a self-collected data set. The data set is used in data set in the audio form. Then we have convert the audio into spectrogram first. Then we have normalize. In normalization, we have resized the image. First we have a 400 into 400 size image. Then we have normalized into 224 into 224. Then we have passed the data set into a MobileNet version. Then we have a classification. Then we have an output layer. Then we have a prediction of COVID cough and pneumonia cough. This is the method to do classification in our case. So what is cough oscillation and what is the data set we have discussed here? A data set oscillation and distribution. We have acquired a self-collected data set. The data include a stethoscope, sensitive microphone, sound card, and a laptop. These are the steps which we have used to do collected a data set. So the stethoscope, microphone, sound card, and laptop. So first of all, in laptop we have saved the audio file, then we have convert into spectrogram, then we have passed over dataset into a MobileNet version 2, then we have a prediction of COVID-19 and pneumonia cough and COVID cough. This is the dataset. First of all, we have a audio form, then we have a audio convert into spectrograms, and the spectrograms also have male samples and female samples. These are the description of the data set. So these are the data set. First we have a cough oscillation of COVID-19 subjects in the audio form, and then we have convert into spectrograms, and the spectrogram also show here. So first of all, we have pre-processing. Following are the steps in the input selected deep learning model. So we have a raw cough dataset is converting into a respective spectrogram. The deep learning has strong capacity to perform a better input images data, while we convert each cough sample into a spectrogram wherein the X contains the time of the sample and Y in the amplitude of the frequencies against each time. Each cough sample is captured with a window size of 0.25 millisecond, then converted into a spectrogram in resize and normalization. Each spectrogram has a size of 400 into 400. During conversion, it was resized into 224 into 224, which is required dimension of MobileNet 2 as shown in the fig. After normalization, we have a deep learning model, MobileNet version 2. MobileNet version 2 is also used for classification. It is the best technique to do classification. So we have used MobileNet version 2. Then we have a transfer learning in the fully connected layer also for classification. We have used different learning rates to do for this method 0.05, 0.005 and also a 005. Classification and prediction. Classification of pneumonia cough and COVID cough is performed using deep learning approach by modifying the softmax layer, which is based on average pooling. The softmax layer is changed into two output, which is COVID cough and also a pneumonia cough. MobileNet version 2 is trained using transfer learning approach. It was initially trained and validated for ImageNet dataset, but it trained on the self-collected dataset of generate new weights. So now we have discussed the results. We have used different learning rates for so best learning rate. We have achieved 99.98 accuracy, 0.05 we have a 95.83, 0.05 we have a 99.45%, and at 0.005 we have a 99.98% accuracy. These are the results which we have achieved in our case. These are the training accuracy graph show. We have here epochs, training loss, training accuracy, validation loss, validation accuracy. This table demonstrate the training and validation accuracy along the respective loss and against each epoch. So this is the training and validation accuracy graph. This show the training loss, validation loss, training accuracy, and also our training validation accuracy. These are the parameters which we have evaluate our data, our model accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. These are the parameters we have used to evaluate the MobileNet version 2. After the model training, we have a random prediction of images. We have experiment randomly and infer each class sample to the proposed system. Its result into right class label against each sample is shown in the figure. Pneumonia spectrogram is predicted with a confidence of 98.87 and COVID cough is predicted in to 99.04% confidence. And the next one is conclusion. COVID-19 is a dangerous disease that emerged December 2019. Some of the symptoms overlap with pneumonia. Digital escalation and COVID analysis can provide a non-invasive method to identify abnormalities in this research work. Deep learning method is applied to cough sound of COVID and pneumonia subject. The presented research work has provided sufficient evidence about the satisfactory performance of the proposed methodology. Moreover, the proposed system has achieved 99.98 accuracy. And extended version of this article, we have aiming to explore deep learning model on cough analysis, comprehensive analysis. We also aiming to implement deep learning model in the NVIDIA Jetson Nano, and also for provide the solution AI on the edge. These are the references, and thank you. If you have any question, please ask me.